If you're a marketer and you want faster SEO growth in 2025, stop only writing blogs. Repurpose them into videos. Here's why. When I first started, I did what everyone said: publish blogs, write in-depth guides, add keywords, post consistently. And sure, traffic came, but not nearly enough. The problem? Blogs alone don't hold attention anymore. People scan, bounce, and your best insights get buried under millions of posts being published every day. I know a marketing manager who had 20 blogs sitting in drafts, waiting to be repurposed. No time, no video skills, no budget for agencies. Those blogs just sat there while competitors filled LinkedIn with videos explaining the exact same topics. Guess who won the engagement battle? Not her. So I tested something new. I took one of my blogs, turned it into a video, and uploaded it. The results? Huge. Pages with videos see 46% more page views. Visitors spend 2.6 times longer on the page. And short, under 1-minute videos get 50% higher click-through rates. That's not just vanity metrics, that's more leads, more visibility, and more authority. Why does video beat text every time? 3 reasons. 1. Attention: humans process visuals 60,000 times faster than text. 2. Visibility. Videos are 53x more likely to rank organically on Google. 3. Shareability. People are far more likely to embed, repost, and link to videos, giving you backlinks blogs rarely earn. Now here's the challenge. Making videos is hard. You need writers, editors, designers, presenters, basically an entire production team. That's expensive and time-consuming, which is why most marketers fall into the same trap. They keep writing blogs, waiting for the day they'll have time for video, while competitors race ahead. That's where DeepReel changes the game. You paste your blog URL, and the AI video genie does the rest. It pulls out the main points, writes a conversational video-friendly script, matches visuals, captions, and music, and lets you choose from 100+ AI presenters to narrate it. In minutes, you've got a polished, SEO-ready video. No cameras, no editing, no delays. Here's what that means for your content. One blog isn't just a single post anymore. It becomes a YouTube video, a LinkedIn explainer, a TikTok short, and even an Instagram reel. And remember, 82% of Google's video results come from YouTube. That means the same piece of content can show up in multiple searches across multiple platforms. And if you want to maximize results, here are quick video SEO tips. Keep titles under 60 characters with the keyword first. Write 250+ word descriptions with timestamps and a link back to your blog. Use bold branded thumbnails. 90% of top videos do this. Always add captions. Captions alone boost watch time by over 7%. So instead of fighting to get noticed with another 2,000-word article, you're giving people what they want: snappy, visual content that grabs attention, holds it, and spreads. The best part, you don't need an agency or a big budget. Tools like DeepReel make video marketing something any marketer can do. Here's the big picture. By 2026, 90% of online content will be AI generated. That means the marketers who adopt AI video now are the ones who'll stay ahead, dominating search, social, and audience attention. So here's my challenge for you. Pick your best blog post, run it through DeepReel, and upload the video. Then track the difference. The future of SEO is video, and the future starts with what you do today.